Hello children, today we are going to learn division by two-digit number and how to verify the division problem. So in the last class, we have learned how to divide the numbers by one-digit number, right? So in the same way, we will solve the problems. We will solve the division problems by two-digit number, and also we will learn a new concept how to verify the division problem. Okay, to find the quotient and remainder, then we will verify our solution. So for it, let's discuss first example. Here we have a question to find the quotient and remainder, that is R, and also we will verify the answer. For it, it has been given an example, that is 1542. We have to divide it by 19 as a two-digit number. You can see that we are dividing with a two-digit number. So in the last class, we have divided the one-digit number and this one. Now this time we are learning how to divide the number by two-digit number. So let's make a division bracket first. And now we know that a bigger number we have to write inside the division bracket. It is 1542. Because it's a dividend, it's a bigger number, then we have to write inside the bracket. And the divisor, which is a smaller number, then you have to write the outside the division bracket. Okay, now let's divide 1542 by 19. So firstly, I want to take one digit. Now I want to divide the one digit by 19. So here we are learning about dividing by the two-digit number. So first, let's take first digit. That is 1 divided by 19. Now, 1 is a less number. 1 is less than 19. We cannot divide. We cannot divide 1 by 19. So how we have to divide it? So we will go with 0. So 19 zeros are 0. What you will get? So 1 minus 0 will be 1, and 1 you are getting as a remainder. So you have to bring it down the next digit, that is 15. Now again we are going to divide 15 by 19. Again 15 is less than 19. We cannot divide. We cannot divide 15 by 19. What we have to do? Again we will divide with 0. So it will go with 0. 19 zeros are 0. So again you have to subtract. So 15 minus 0 will be 15 only. Then what you have to do? You have to bring it down the next digit. It is, now we are making it 154. Now it's been a three-digit number. And now it's a bigger number. Can we divide 154 by 19? Yes, because 154 is a bigger than 19. So let's divide 154 by 19. So it will go with, children, let me tell you. And you know that firstly you have to multiply by 2, then you will check by 3, then 4, then 5. No, you just take 19 as just remove 10. So you have to write 10 plus 9. We can write 19 as 10 plus 9. Break it tens. So this will be 10. If you will multiply, if you know the table of 10 easily. So if you will multiply by 10. So this will be 10 nines are 90. It will come like this. So you have to check by which number you have to multiply. But the actual number is 19. What number you have to multiply? So you can directly multiply 19 by 9. Because I have taken the value closer to the 19, it is 10. I have just rounded in 10. Okay. So then it would be 19. So I will multiply in the same way 19. So I am going to multiply . So here I am going to multiply 19 by 9. Okay. That's why I told you just to make a 19. Firstly, you have to, no need to multiply by 19 directly. Just multiply by 10, because we can write 19 as 10 plus 9. So when you will multiply 10 by 9, this will give you 90. Right? In the same way, if you will, our original number is 19. So if you will multiply 19 nines, then you can check the value like this. Okay. So there will be no need to check with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 7, 8. No. Just directly do like this. So 9 nines are 81. 9 ones are 9 plus 8 is 171. And now the value is coming bigger than 154. So let's multiply with 9, sorry, 8. So 8 nines are 72. Then 7 ones are 8 ones are 8 plus 7 is 15. Now here we have got 152. So the value is closer to 154. So we can go with 8. So 19 eights are 152. So this will be 152. Now you have to subtract these two numbers. So 4 minus 2 will be 2 only. And 5 minus 5 will be 0. 1 minus 1 will be 0. Then you will get as a 2 as a remainder. Now the last digit is left in the dividend. Just bring it down by making the number 22. Now we will divide 22 by 19. So if you will multiply by 3, 19 threes are, if you will go with 3, it will give you 57. So if you will multiply by 2, and you know that 19 twos are 38. So again the 38 is greater than, so it will go with 2. So 19, sorry, 1. So 19 ones are 19. Now you have to subtract. So this will be 12 minus 9 is 3. And here you are left with 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. And your remainder is 3. Right? Now we have got the quotient and the remainder because there is no as such digit in the dividend. So just write the quotient is 81 and the remainder is 3. Now we will learn how to verify our answer, that our quotient and the remainder is exactly same, it is correct or not. You have to verify. So for it we have to write verification. Now we are going to verify our problem. To verify, you write verification first. Then after it you have to write the quotient. Quotient is 81. Remainder is 3. And your dividend is your dividend is, just scroll up to see the dividend, 1542. 1542. And your divisor is 19. I am writing div dot, it is divisor. So I have just written the 4 things, that is a quotient, remainder, dividend and divisor. Now I have to write the formula for the verification, and formula for the verification is dividend. Look it carefully, it is dividend is equals to divisor, I'm writing div again for the divisor, into quotient, Q stand for quotient, just write down Q, plus R. R is remainder. Okay. Now what is dividend over here? Just write down the value of the dividend below the word dividend. It is 1542. So I have put it the value of dividend. Now I will write divisor. Divisor is 19. And what is the quotient with you? Quotient is 81. And what is remainder? So I have used up all the values. Okay. Just draw a line over here so that you can multiply. Right? So now let's multiply 19 into 81. Okay. And you know the multiplication very well. You have to multiply 19 into 81. And this will be 1 9s are 9. 1 1s are 1. You have to just put a 1 cross because we have finished the ones place digit. We have multiplied the ones place digit. So now we will multiply by 8. 8 9s are 72. We'll write 7 at the top. And 8 1s are 8 plus 7 is 15. Now let's add up the numbers. So this will be 9, this will be 3, this will be 5, and this will be 1. So we will write the answer of the product, but before it that you have to again write the dividend, that is 1542. Okay, what we are doing, we are making the right hand side equals to the left hand side, but we want what we are doing, we are making the right hand side 1542 equals to the left hand side. Left hand side is already 1542 and we have to make it equal. So we have to write the product 1539. After it you have to add 3. So we'll add, you can do addition in rough. 1539 plus 3. Then 9 plus 3 is 12. 3 plus 1 is 4. And this will be 5 and 1. So you can see that the dividend was 1542. I am going to write the dividend again. Then when I have added 1539 and 3 together, what you are getting, 1542, it is exactly equals to the left hand side. Children, look at here. Here both the numbers are same. It means that our right hand side is equals to the left hand side. It means that our answer of the quotient and the remainder was correct, right? So here what we have to write, we have to write hence verified. Hence verified. Okay, you have to do the questions like this. The next question you have to try it yourself. Thank you so much.